just an update. So, nakakuha ako sa boarding pass for going to Bacolod and Manila. And if ever na makaabot ko sa Manila, yeah, ako boarding pass for Manila to Taipei. So, waiting for ko sa flight airport. As you can see, it's Monday and wala ko siya itong tao. Let's go! Once you landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, so the first thing that you would do is go to travel tax station. Doon kayo magbabayad ng travel tax nyo amounting of 1,620. Once na nakabayad ka na sa travel tax mo, pila ka kaagad sa immigration and prepare some documents para hindi ka ma-offload. So sa mga oras na to, naghihintay na lang ako ng aking boarding going to Taipei, Taiwan. And as you can see, merong charging station na if ever na hindi ka nakapag-charge, pwede mong i-charge lahat ng mga power bank mo at kung ano-ano pa. After how many hours of waiting, so finally magbo-boarding na kami going to Taipei, Taiwan. So excited na ako sa mga oras na to. So hindi ko mawari yung emotion ko dito habang naglalakad ako sa hallway papuntang airport going to Taipei, Taiwan. So just imagine solo traveler ka papuntang ibang bansa, first time mo mag-travel and finally nakapasa ka sa immigration.
5310 bound for Taipei, Taiwan. Only guests for this flight must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call the attention of your cabin crew. Muli magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific Lipad bilang 53310 patungong Taipei, Taiwan.
And after 3 hours of flight, so finally nakarating din ng Taipei, Taiwan ng safe at smooth yung travel namin. So maraming salamat po sa Cebu Pacific sa isang magandang flight na safe at saka smooth. So once you landed at Taoyuan Airport, go straight ahead to their immigration and scan your passport and to do the fingerprints. So, once you are done with the immigration process, I suggest to go to Taiwan, the Lucky Land, kasi meron silang palaro doon na if ever na manalo ka, magkakaroon ka ng 5,000 in TD or in Filipino, it's 9,000. So, luckily, nanalo ako ng accommodation voucher worth 5,000. So, nag-less ito sa aking hotel stay for 5 days. So after winning the accommodation voucher, humingi ka ng slip or screenshot doon sa receptionist ng The Lucky Land para iparedeem mo yon sa hotel na napili mo. Sa mga oras na to, naghahanap ako ng pwedeng pag-withdrawan ng pera and highly suggest na doon na lang mismo sa airport mag-withdraw kasi napakaliit ng conversion compared to city and Taipei.